To begin with, the scarcity of time forces man to choose between alternatives at all points in his life. And it means that every decision has an opportunity cost. The nearer the period of time from the present, the more valuable it will appear to an individual. Providing for future suffers from the problem of coincidence of wants, usually discussed in the context of trade. The future is unknowable and uncertain. You don't know what exactly you're going to want in the future. In the same way that money solves the problem of coincidence of wants in trade, it solves it for future provision. By saving the most liquid good, or the most saleable good, the saver is able to exchange it in the future for the most valuable goods available for them in the future at the time of their choosing. Recently, I ran a poll for my followers on Twitter who have held Bitcoin for more than a year, asking them of the percentages of their income they saved or invested before getting into Bitcoin, and what percentage they save or invest today after at least 1 year of holding on to Bitcoin. The results are absolutely amazing. 48% of people used to save less than 10% of their income before Bitcoin. After Bitcoin, only 11% of people saved less than 10% of their income. The ratio of people saving 10 to 25% stayed the same. The number of people saving from 25 to 50% went up from 12% to 23%, so it's almost double. And then the number of people saving over 50% of their income has gone up from 15% to 40%. It's a huge increase. Before Bitcoin, most people alive today simply had no conception of saving and delayed gratification. Everywhere in the world, people have recollections of stories of people who have saved and worked hard and had their wealth destroyed by inflation. And this demotivates people. The uncertainty of saving in fiat heavily discounts the future payoff, reducing the incentive to invest. People from all over the world are now obsessed with stacking sats. Bitcoin is the free market's solution to the problem of rising time preference. It is the technological solution that allows anyone to rejoin the process of lowering time preference, saving, capital accumulation, and civilization. It requires no political permission, it obviates politics and monetary policy, it is unstoppable, and it is hugely rewarding for anyone who adopts it.